Dr. Jaffe, approximately how long does it take for the body to remove tumors naturally or dissolve them naturally? They could be malignant or non-malignant. Ideally, obviously, when I'm saying naturally, without surgery. So I wanted to get your thoughts on an approximate timeline. I know it can be different for different people, but just wanted to hear your feedback on that.
Well, I can only comment in general because I've chosen in my career to focus on regenerative health. That includes cardiovascular, autoimmune, inflammatory. But the area of oncology, the area of cancer, whether we're talking about overgrowth of normal tissue, which should not happen and is usually a vitamin D deficiency, or what you're referring to, which is the development of cells out of control, cancer. Now, everybody makes cancer cells every day. And we have a natural killer cell and cytotoxic T cell surveillance system so that when our immune system is properly balanced, when it isn't overwhelmed and overly stressed by digestive remnants, meaning that the defense work goes up and the repair work goes down. Because it's part of repair to identify and eliminate abnormal cells. The process is called apoptosis. And people do that regularly every day, or more or less every day, as part of being healthy. Notice that what I'm saying is you can only have cancer if your natural anti-cancer mechanism is not working. Now, there are lots of reasons why it might not be working, but you can measure and quantify natural killer cells and cytotoxic T cells, and I recommend that anyone who has concern do that, because the body is designed to eliminate abnormal cells. By the time you detect cancer, and now you can look at the work of Bob Nagorny or others, but by the time you can clinically detect cancer, the natural anti-cancer mechanism has probably been ineffective, inoperative, inhibited for 5 to 10 or more years before you detect the cancer. So early detection of cancer is a major focus of the National Cancer Institute because they recognize that it is really true, that too often we don't even notice the problem until it's, quote, raging or out of control. Since I am not a member of the Society for Integrative Oncology, I would suggest that you look up their members, including Keith Block, Dwight McKee, Donald Abrams. They might have a more meaningful answer to the question of, for an individual, what is the time frame within which you can dissolve cancer? To me, that's a question of mind, body, and spirit. It's a question of environment, attitude, and activity. And it's got so many variables that I think somebody with better expertise than myself should comment.